Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL 18 DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to migrate database from MySQL to Postgres 18. So MySQL is running here 8.0, just assume that, and PostgreSQL is running 18. So what I'll do, first I'll just create the database MySQL, or you have already running the database MySQL 8.0, and we are going to migrate that database into the PostgreSQL 18. So I'm running the server in VMware workstation. So there is a server Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. I'm running with this, and I'll go through the step-by-step process to migrate the database from MySQL to PostgreSQL. So PostgreSQL is the latest version of the Postgres, and MySQL is the latest version of MySQL 8.0. So let me just access the database. So I'm accessing the server. Server is running on the VMware. So SSH DPT rate 192.168.136.128. Admin at the rate 123 sudo su. So this is my server. So first what I will do, I'll just update the system packages. Sudo apt update and upgrade the packages also. Sudo apt upgrade -y. So it will update and upgrade the existing system packages. So whenever you are starting this, you should do the update and upgrade. So let it complete. So MySQL will install here, and Postgres also install the same server for the testing purpose. You can install in the two other servers also. So different server also. So there is just some packages is going to be installed. So there is a Linux tool is going to be installed. 6.8 point something. 99% is completed. 100% is done. Now we're going through the progress. Your system is already up to date and upgrade this one, so it will take less time. My system is not up to date, so this is taking the latest package is going to be installed and upgrading the system. Sorry. So this install update and upgrade is completed. Now I'm going to install the MySQL server. So sudo apt install MySQL server -y. So installation is near about to done. You can able to see there is a client 8.0 and MySQL also 8.0, MySQL server 8.0. MySQL is also completed. Now I'm going to secure the MySQL installation. So sudo MySQL underscore secure underscore installation. So go there. So validate your password component. Yes. I'm going through the low. Remove anonymous user. Yes. Disallow remote login. As per your requirement, you can give this one remote test databases. Remove and reload the privileges. Yes. So all are done. Now let me access the MySQL server. But before that, let me start and enable the MySQL. So sudo start MySQL sudo systemctl start MySQL done, and I'm going to enable the MySQL. Enable also completed. So enable means that whenever the system will reboot automatically, the uh, when reboot automatically MySQL service will be start. Now sudo MySQL minus u root is the default user minus p. I'm going to log into the MySQL. Enter. We don't have password now, so click on enter. So I'm logged in. Now I'm going to change the password for the root. So there is a disclaimer is there. So now let me change the alter the root password for the localhost. There's a MySQL native password by I'm putting the admin 123. So okay. Now let me apply the changes plus privileges. So done. Exit from here and restart the MySQL. So we have done this one, we have restarted. Now change the password policy to low. If you are getting, okay, I'm logged in and I can run this command. So let me check the variables. So now it will ask you the password 123. So variable is this. Okay. So change character and other things are there. If you want to set the validate password policy is low and validate password length is 4, then you can run these two commands. Now check the variable again. So we have set up the validate password policy and validate password length, and we can able to see the password validate password detail. So now we are going to the plus privileges. This is optional. After changing the password, you can plus the privileges to ensure all the changes take effect. So now I'm just going to change the plus privileges. So done. So all the changes is done. Now I'm going to exit from there. So this is done. Again, I'm going to log into the MySQL. So MySQL minus u root minus p, and password is the admin 123. This is the password we have set, and now I have to create the database. Create database test underscore db. Okay. Use test underscore db. Use test db. So database is changed. Previously this was in the default database. Now it's changed to the test database. Now create a table. So create table is a simple command. I'm going to create a table, user table. So done, created. Now insert some data. So some data is inserted. Select and check the data. So two rows are inserted into the my table, user table on the database test underscore db. Exit. Next, let me check. So configure the mysql.d. This is a MySQL configuration file. I'm going through the sudo nano default authentication plugin. Let me add this one. Let me restart the MySQL. Let me check the status. So active and running and server is operational. So quit from there. So MySQL is done. We have created the we have installed the MySQL 8, MySQL Server 8, and we created the database table and inserted two rows. So all the things are done. Now I am going to install the Postgres 18 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So first I'll install the Postgres command. So sudo apt install -y common. So after that we'll install the PGDG, apt PostgreSQL Organization SH is a Postgres Global Development Group SH file. So it will add to the source list automatically. So enter to continue. Now let me update the system sudo apt update. Install the PostgreSQL 18. So sudo apt install PostgreSQL 18. Here you can able to see there is a Postgres 18 is going to be installed on this system. Git Postgres 18. So let me check the psql minus version. So PostgreSQL 18 is there. Now I'll start the PostgreSQL. Again, enable it. Enable. Check the status. So active and running. Okay. Again, I'm going to log into the PostgreSQL sudo -i -u Postgres psql Postgres form and change the password for the Postgres user alter user Postgres password and password is the admin123. I'm putting the same password for the remember for now. So enter this. So alter role is done. Now create the database. Create database. Same name I am giving testDB. So done. Now exit from there. So next Postgres database is created and MySQL already created. Now I am going to use the pgloader. To migrate the data from the MySQL to PostgreSQL, you can use the pgloader tool. So which simplifies the migration process. So install the pgloader. Let me clone the pgloader from the Git. And install the dependencies. Done. LL, let me check. There is a pgloader there. Go to the pgloader. Now LL make pgloader. So packages are loading. So still packages are loading on this. Now waiting to complete the pgloader installation. So system loading pgloader, compress files. So done. So we have done this one. Now if you need any help, you can run this command. So all the string and command and are there. Okay. Now finally the command format for the migrating the database. So root admin at the rate 123 the localhost, testdb is there, PostgreSQL Postgres admin 123 for localhost and testdb. Same name I am going to migrate. As per your password, you can change the password admin@123 I'm using. If you are using different password from this, so you can do this. So import is done. So total import time is this, total rows, how many rows are migrated, and total time is taken. So all the details you will get on this page. Okay. So everything is done. Now what I'll do, I'll just log in and verify the data is migrated or not. So sudo -u postgres and psql. So /l, let me check the databases. There is a 4 databases are there. /c testdb /l, okay, /dt. So test user table is there. Select extract from users. So both the databases are migrated there. So previously database, both the tables, sorry, both the rows. So database is testdb and migrated to the PostgreSQL database. So we have, in this video, we have learned how to migrate Postgres, MySQL 8 to Postgres 18 on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Step by step process I have shown to you. So go through the step by step process, follow the process shown in the video. Share this YouTube video with your friends and colleagues. For any doubts and query, please write on the YouTube video comment section and subscribe to my channel for more free certification tutorial and learning content. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you.